Hi, I'm Dave Eichhorn. For 30 years I've been a television meteorologist, and now I'm working in the field of environmental meteorology at SUNY-ESF. And I want to tell you about a course that we're offering online at ESF. It's a course about climate science and sustainability. It's a course that's geared for high school and college students, educators, and working professionals. It's a great opportunity for you to learn about the meteorological consequences of climate change. This new SUNY-ESF course will take you in a fact-finding mission. By now you've probably been bombarded with a ton of information about global warming. In this course we're going to stick to the science. And what's nice about this course is that we're going to look at climate change through the eyes or perspective of a meteorologist. Because when we do, a whole new understanding of the consequences of climate change unveils itself. Like, for example, this video shows forecast climate change by the end of this century using computer forecast models. We'll talk about this, but we'll also discuss what anomalous warmth in some parts of the world means for other parts of the world. For example, did you know that those big snowstorms in Washington and Philadelphia early in 2010 largely occurred because in parts of Greenland and Alaska at the same time it was too warm to snow there? We'll talk about how changes in one part of the world can affect others. For example, did you know that too much warmth in the Arctic can actually result in colder weather at lower latitudes? Well, it usually does. So what would happen when the Arctic continues to warm? We'll look at the warming going on now and compare that with thousands of years of history. Might there be more of this around the Great Lakes in the winter? Well, we think so, and we'll show you why. We'll learn about the consequences of the warming going on now and how that's affecting the oceans, the Earth, and the biosphere. We'll look at why climate scientists really are concerned by taking a look at the information they are also looking at. This gets us closer to the primary sources of information. We'll discuss the importance of understanding how individual weather events fall into the big picture of natural variation and how scientists try and sort that out. We'll take a look at what you can do to reduce your carbon and ecological footprint. The weight of this course will revolve around climate science using information and graphics from NASA, meteorological sources on the internet, SUNY-ESF, and video lectures formatted just like this introduction. So join me online. It's just a 1-credit hour course, but it's loaded with thousands of years worth of information. It's a course that was developed by some of the faculty and staff at SUNY-ESF and myself with support from a grant from NASA. You can learn more by going to SUNY-ESF Outreach or check us out at ESF online.